Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually downgrade your WordPress, how you can downgrade the version of your WordPress. So as you can see now, I am using an oldest version of WordPress, so that's why they are telling me to update it to 6.1.1. How you can get this version of WordPress? Basically, it's pretty simple. What you have to do is know the version that you want. So for example, for me, I want the version 5.3.2.3. So what I'm gonna do is right after I know the version I want, what I'm gonna do is click on Google and write Bitnami WordPress, and here I write the version that I want. So for me, I want this version, and click on download. So let me just close this. Now after I click on download, you have to go to, you can choose whatever site you want. So for me, I'm using this website, and as you can see, you see every information about it. Here's some ads. So here we click on download for free, and as you can see, here it is. Now wait until this green bar fills, and here it is. So now what you're gonna do is wait for it until it is installed on your PC. I have already installed it, so I cancel it. Here I go to my download, I click on this one, and here I can click on this, and this will be starting downloading on my PC. So let's wait for it until it opens. Let's wait, and here it is. Now what you have to do, basically, here you choose the languages. Here you click on next, like any other kind of WordPress, or let's WordPress, but any kind of other programs downloading. So let's create a new folder for it to be installed on it. Let's choose this one, select folder, and next. So here what you have to do is really important. Here you don't care about this, but what you care about is the login and the password. Of course, you can put your email address, so if you forgot about your password, you can get it later on, but for us, we will just put here our username or the login, and here the password. So after that, because I have already installed it and I don't want it to be installed again in my PC, basically what you have to do here is put the password twice, okay? And right after that, you click on next, and then it will be installed for you guys. So right after that, what you have to do is write localhost on your PC, and the website will be or the WordPress will be opened on the version that you wanted on your PC. So yeah guys, that's how you can downgrade your WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.